Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today we're gonna make a recipe. It's a really easy recipe. We're gonna make a chicken patty. So the ingredients are these tortillas that I recommend. These ones especially are delicious that you can get in the supermarket. We need some chicken, we need oil, we need some salt, we need butter, we need this thing, I don't know what's it called. We need milk, we need flour, we need pepper, and that's it. So the first what we have to do is the bechamel sauce. So let's get started. Okay, so first we take 1 full spoon of butter and we put in a cooking spot, and then we have to wait until it gets melted. Okay, so when you realize that the butter is melted, you're gonna incorporate 1 full teaspoon of flour. Be careful with the butter, you can burn yourself. And you have to mix just a little bit. Alright. Next we're going to put some milk until we got the texture we want. Alright. Okay guys, so we have the texture. You can see this looks delicious. And then we have to put some pepper. You know, this is whatever you want, just a little bit, not too much, and we mix just a little bit. Okay, so now we got the sauce right there. So the next what we have to do is cut the chicken off. So carefully, don't cut yourself. We're gonna cut the chicken in little pieces like this. Okay, so next we're gonna put some oil, just a little bit. And then we're gonna put the chicken like this. That's great. And we have to wait until the chicken cooks. Okay, so next we have to put some salt right here. And if you want, you can put some pepper, but if you don't put, it doesn't matter. And mix it. You have to keep mixing. Now the chicken is ready. So the thing that we have to do is put the chicken with the sauce that we did before. Alright, that's great. And then we have to mix. Like this. Okay, so we take 1 tortilla, we put right here, and we're gonna put some chicken with sauce, like this, just a little bit. That's good enough. And we fix this, and we get that close. Like this. Okay, so finally I'm gonna put this in the air fryer like this. Okay. And gonna be right here and we have to wait about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, kind of. That's it, just wait. Okay, so you can see we have our chicken patties ready. So let's try. How is it? These are delicious patty, and it's very healthy because it doesn't have any oil. It's really good.